In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Softr app from your workspace permanently, and I'll walk you through every single step so you can do it with complete confidence. Softr is a powerful no-code platform for building web applications and portals, but over time you might end up with old projects, test apps, or client work that you just don't need anymore. Learning how to cleanly remove these unused applications keeps your workspace organized and prevents confusion. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Before you take any action, it's absolutely critical that you understand what deleting a Softr app really means. When you delete an application, you are permanently removing it from your workspace, along with all of its pages, content, settings, connected data, and any customizations you have made. There is no recycle bin or trash folder where you can recover it later, and Softr does not offer an undo feature for this action. So before we go any further, take a moment to think carefully. Do you need any of the content inside that app? Do you have any data sources linked to it that you might want to use again? If there is any chance you will need that app in the future, make a backup first. The safest way to keep a copy is to duplicate the app, which creates an exact clone that you can store or archive. Once you are absolutely certain you are ready, you can proceed with the deletion. To start, log into your Softr account using your usual credentials. After you have signed in, you will land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a vertical sidebar with several menu options. Look for the one that says Applications and click on it. This will take you to the main Applications page, which displays a list of every Softr app you have created or that has been shared with you within that workspace. This is your central hub for managing all of your projects, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now, you need to locate the specific application you want to delete. Scroll through the list or use any search or filter options that might be available to find it quickly. Once you have found the correct app, look to the right side of its row. You will see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, sometimes called a kebab menu or more options button. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take for that application. The options you see will include things like edit, duplicate, settings, and of course the one we are focused on, delete. Go ahead and click on the delete option from that drop-down menu. When you do, Softr will not immediately remove your app. Instead, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This is an important safety feature designed to prevent you from accidentally deleting an application with a single careless click. Softr wants to make absolutely sure that you are aware of what you are about to do. The confirmation window will display a message explaining that the application will be permanently deleted and that this action cannot be undone. You will also see a prompt asking you to type a specific confirmation text. This is the most important step in the entire process. Read the confirmation message carefully. You will be required to type a specific word or phrase exactly as it appears on the screen, word for word, including any punctuation or capitalization. This is not a generic yes or no box. Softr makes you manually enter the confirmation text to prove that you are intentionally choosing to delete the app and that you understand the consequences. This extra step is your last chance to change your mind. If you are having second thoughts, or if you realize you might have selected the wrong application, simply close the confirmation window or click cancel, and no changes will be made. If you are sure you want to proceed, type the required confirmation text precisely into the input field. Double check that you have spelt it correctly, because if it does not match exactly, the delete button will remain grayed out and you will not be able to continue. Once the text is entered correctly, you will see the delete button become active. Click on that button and Softr will immediately begin the permanent removal process. Depending on the size of your application, this may take just a second or 2. The app, along with all its pages, blocks, settings, and data connections, will be erased from your workspace. After the deletion is complete, you will be automatically returned to the main applications page. Take a moment here to verify that the app you deleted is no longer present in your list. If it has been removed successfully, you have accomplished your goal. It can also be a good habit to glance over the remaining apps in your list to see if there are any other outdated projects you might want to clean up while you are in that mindset. Before I wrap up, I want to leave you with a few important tips to keep in mind. First, always double check that you are deleting the correct application. If you have apps with similar names or multiple projects in your workspace, it is easy to select the wrong one. Second, if there is even a small chance you might need the app or any of its data in the future, duplicate it before you delete the original. Duplicating creates a safe copy that you can store or export, and it only takes a few seconds. Third, remember that this is permanent. There is no way to restore a deleted Softr app through customer support or any hidden feature, so be absolutely certain. Finally, consider reviewing your list of applications on a regular basis, perhaps every month or quarter, and remove any projects you no longer need. Keeping your workspace clean will help you stay organized and make it easier to focus on the applications that actually matter. You now know exactly how to permanently delete a Softr app from your workspace. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to save this video or bookmark it so you can come back to these steps whenever you need them. Thanks for watching and happy building.